I want to cut across to Gaurav, and we're going to go to Ankit as well. But Gaurav, would you want to reflect on these images that are coming in satellite imagery of of how India attacked and neutralized the Lahore anti-air defense system?
Oh, absolutely, Preeti. This is extremely significant what India has done without escalating. This is imposing costs on Pakistan's military jihad complex. And how is this imposing costs on Pakistan's military jihad complex? Who better than my colleague Ankit, who's been scanning through all open source intelligence and satellite images to get you the latest on what India has done. And Ankit, take it away. It's a massive loss to Pakistan.
Well, Gaurav, thanks to one decision made by the government of Pakistan. You know, before today, Twitter or X was banned in Pakistan. You needed VPN. Today, Pakistan needed some disinformation. So what it did, it unblocked Twitter or X. Thanks to that decision, a lot of videos were posted today, right? Yes. Of those drone attacks. And again, thanks to DG ISPR, the military spokesperson, who gave all the details on the places that was attacked. Yeah. Using that, a lot of Indian OSINT accounts, what they did, they geolocated the exact place. And now we know from government statement, but now we can verify the place that was attacked, is home for HQ-16 air defense system. Now, what is this HQ-16 air defense system? From China, made in China. Yeah. Pakistan bought this, and good people of Pakistan 1600 crore रुपए का चूना लगाया आपको. That one drone cost 1600 crore rupees that you paid to China.
तो ये 1600 करोड़ भारत का 1600 करोड़ है कि पाकिस्तान का 1600 करोड़ है?
पाकिस्तान का, because I'm speaking to people of Pakistan now, right? Okay. So this is what your military has not been telling you. This is what your leaders in your National Assembly have not been telling you. This is what they did to you during Kargil. This is what they did to you during all those wars. 1971 never happened. Go pull the Dawn headline, the Dawn front page of 1971. Never happened. This again never happened. Go to Google Earth. Scroll through the historical imagery. Stop on February 2022. You will find this HQ-16 battery. Go do a Google search. You will find this picture. Again do a Google search. Try to find how much does it cost you. Did the government of the day, did your military, did the DGISPR tell you what happened in Lahore today? You lost your only air defense system at this place.
And in Lahore, now Lahore is a very significant city as far as Pakistan is concerned. For the benefit of viewers who are joining us, Lahore is the core headquarters and a very important core headquarters for Pakistan Army, as is Bahawalpur. And that is why Pakistan had both Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed headquarters very close to their core headquarters. If the terrorists are vulnerable, minus this air defense system, even their cores are vulnerable.
And even the residents, even the family residents of the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Rawalpindi, again in Lahore. So Lahore is so critical. And to all those people in Pakistan who are saying that India is now provoking sentiments, India is the aggressor. If India wanted to use a superior air force, they could have done it. India is the one showing the restraint here. You are minus this air defense system today. You don't have this umbrella. And yet, the allegations that India is the aggressor, no. Your politicians, your military leadership is lying to you today.